Imagine a world where your New Jersey class loan payment actually fits your paycheck and your credit starts healing instead of hurting. It's possible, but only if you take the right first step. In this video, I'm going to show you the three biggest ways I help my clients fix their New Jersey class loan defaults. First, how I work with HESA to negotiate affordable monthly payments based on your actual income and expenses. Second, how I help protect you and your cosigner from lawsuits, wage garnishments, and bank levies while I get your loan back on track. And third, how I guide you through the steps to clean up your credit once your loan is out of default so you can start rebuilding your financial future. If you're struggling with an overwhelming New Jersey class loan, these are the exact steps we can take together to get you real relief. I once worked with a borrower who waited too long to get help. By the time they came to me, HESA had already sued them, gotten a judgment, and started garnishing their wages. Their balance had also ballooned with court costs and interest tacked on. If they had reached out earlier, I could have negotiated an affordable payment, stopped the lawsuit, and even helped protect their cosigner. That's why I'm making this video, so that you can avoid that kind of financial disaster and get control now before it's too late. Let's talk about why this is so important. First, a lot of people believe that if they just call HESA and explain their situation, someone will work with them. Unfortunately, that's not usually what happens. HESA's collection process is structured. It's resistant. They're trained to push for the highest payment possible and often won't consider a lower payment unless it's presented the right way. That's where I come in. When I work with clients, I know how to organize and present their real income and expenses in a way that shows what they can truly afford and gives them the best chance of getting an affordable payment approved. I've successfully negotiated many deals over the years with each of the four law firms that represent HESA. They know me, and that I'll propose a deal that makes sense. And that brings me to the second thing I do. I negotiate truly affordable monthly payments based on your real financial situation, what you can actually handle, not what they say you should pay. When you can show real hardship and you have someone experienced pushing for you, affordable payments become possible. Affordable payments are great, but not if your paycheck gets garnished while you're waiting. That's why protecting yourself immediately is just as important. That's why the third part of what I do is to help protect you and your cosigner while we negotiate. If you're proactive, you can stop lawsuits, wage garnishments, and bank levies before they happen. And even if HESA has already filed suit, there are still ways to fight back and protect what you've worked so hard for. And finally, once we fix the default, I help guide you through cleaning up your credit. That includes making sure that the default is removed from your credit and showing you how to start rebuilding your credit for the future. Getting your New Jersey class loan out of default, repairing your credit, and moving forward, it's all possible if you take the right steps now. Now, everything we talked about today works best if you act before things get worse. But what if HESA has already sued you? Or what if a court judgment is already on the table? Don't panic. There are still critical steps you can take to protect yourself and your cosigner, but timing is everything. To make sure you don't miss your chance to fight back and fix this the right way, watch these two videos next. Don't let HESA or anyone else decide your financial future for you. Take back control today.